Here at the head of Redgate Lane Trail in Beals Preserve is Lisa Barthleson from Rutland, and her piece Frenzied returns. Lisa, we are so thrilled to have you in the show yet again this year, and we would love to hear more about this work.
Hi, Catherine. It's great to be part of Art on the Trails again. This is your 9th year, and Frenzied was here at the inaugural Art on the Trails. It was then called Frenzied Resting, and it was at the other side of the trail. When you announced that this was the 9th year, I decided that Frenzied, who's been residing in my backyard in what I call the sculpture graveyard, wanted to make a return appearance, and that it was time to put on her party dress and come back to Art on the Trails. So Frenzied originally was wire, rope, and string. And a lot of it has faded over 9 years, that's a long time. So I went back into Frenzied. I left her old part. I consider it her old body with a new dress. And I added new rope, new shiny bits. This is a work in progress still. I have to finish with the shiny bits to really celebrate Art on the Trails. 9 years is a long time. And art lasts. Art often doesn't decompose. Art enriches our lives forever. So I thought it was time to just bring Frenzied back and get into the party. Thank you.